Okay, yes. I'm back again on my channel. I'm back again on my podcast. I'm back again on my page. YouTube channel, YouTube podcast, YouTube page. Right. I saw a comment from a Shona guy, a Shona man on one of my videos on my channel. And this Shona man, this Shona guy was not happy because of things happening in Bulawayo, because of things happening in Ndebele province, in Ndebele region. So the guy was not happy. The guy was not feeling good. The guy was not feeling okay. The guy was not feeling fine. Then he began. Then he wrote a big comment on that video on my channel. So what I'm saying now, what I'm speaking about now, has been born out of that comment. This video has been generated out of that comment. This video has been produced from that comment, from that Shona guy, Shona man. So he said, people in Bulawayo, Ndebele people, or maybe the Sutu people or Kalanga people, anybody in Bulawayo, they are treating Shona people in a bad way. They are not treating Shona people in a good way. They are bullying Shona people. They are saying a lot of things against Shona people in Bulawayo. So I began to be very much stressed. I began to be very much touched because of what I was hearing. Sorry. Yes, so like I said, the guy was not happy because of the treatment by Ndebele people to Shona people in Bulawayo, or any part, any space, any place under Ndebele province, under Ndebele region. So he was saying, these guys are bullying us. These guys are doing us bad things. They're saying a lot of rubbish. They're saying a lot of nonsense against us as Shona people. But remember, back in the past, back in history, they came to Zimbabwe and we gave them space. We gave them a place. We even offered them citizenship to stay in Zimbabwe. But look what they're doing now. They're treating us bad. They're saying all sorts of rubbish against the Shona people. They're saying all sorts of nonsense against the Shona people. This is not right. This is not good. This is not okay. This is not fine. This is not proper. So this is what the guy was saying on that comment. Like, if you check back in history, if you check back in the past, these people, they don't belong to Zimbabwe, but they came here. We accepted them. We received them. We welcomed them to Zimbabwe. And by extension, we gave them space or a place to stay. That city, that is called Bulawayo. That town, that is called Bulawayo. We even offered them citizenship. We gave them citizenship to be called Zimbabwean citizens, to be named or branded or to be termed or to be labeled Zimbabwean citizens. Yes, we did all this to them, to welcome them, to accept them, to receive them, and give them citizenship, nationality in Zimbabwe, and give them space, allocate space in that town called Bulawayo, in that city called Bulawayo. But look what they're doing now. It's not good. It's not fine. It's not proper. It's not okay. I'm like, what? What are you saying? Right. So he went on to say, the treatment which they are giving us is not fine. The way that they are treating us is not good. The way that they are handling us or approaching us in Bulawayo, every Shona person or Shona people, the way they are being treated by Ndebele people or Sutu people or Kalanga people, any tribe of people in Bulawayo, in Ndebele province, Ndebele region, how they are treating Shona people is not good. So these were his complaints. These were some of the words or message captured in that comment, written and recorded in that comment. I'm like, what? What are you saying, man? So please, of course, you listen to me. I want to know what are comments? Based on what I've said, what are comments? What do you say? Write or type your comments in the comment section about what I've just said. What is your take? How did you respond? How do you answer this guy, Shona man? What do you say? Type or write your comments in the comments box about the treatment, about the approach, about the handling that is done by Ndebele people to Shona people in Bulawayo. or any part under Ndebele province, Ndebele region. So I'll come and see your comments. I'll come and check your comments in the comment section, comments box. What do you say? What are your views? What are your opinions? How can you reply or answer this guy, this Shona guy, Shona man? How can you respond to him? How can you answer him? Based on what I've said, based on what I've done, or based on my communication, based on the message that I passed to you, what he said in that comment. So please, people, subscribers, viewers, my fans, my followers, how do you respond? How do you answer this guy? Of course, I know you want an answer. He deserves a response. What do you say? Write, type, drop everything in the comment box, in the comment section. Otherwise, I'm done talking. Peace out. Sharp.